Small money. In this video, I just did a quick little makeup beat for bald heads. It's basically makeup for if you got like, you don't really got no hair, or you got like you know, a little pixie cut going on, just anything for short hair. This is a perfect makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I did this makeup, just keep on watching. First of all, this is what I did for in the room. So yeah, I know my hair's gone. I don't have no hair. I know I'm bald headed. Like, y'all, I had to, because it's a long story, but I'll probably talk about it in here. I don't know, but it's a long story, and girl, yeah. So yeah, I'm in the process of growing it back, and yeah. So now that we addressed the elephant in the room, so now we're gonna get together and do our makeup. Okay, so now we're gonna go on our primer. We're gonna go in with the Too Faced Plump and Prime. Put like this much on. It's almost gone. I need to get some more. Then I'm gonna go in with this NARS primer. I don't know if they sell this in the store anymore. They might not, but it's the It's the NARS Radiant Primer. So we'll put some of that on. Ooh, it's watery. Let me shake it up. Ew. So I put a lot of this on. Make sure I rub it in. And y'all, this makes your makeup look so like glowy. Like it makes you have like a nice, radiant look. I know that's what the thing said in there, but it does, y'all. It makes their makeup come out so radiant, like you have like a little glisten to your face. Like, y'all. Like I said, I don't know if they sell it in the store anymore, because like I said, I got this a long time ago. Then I go with this Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum. I go. So now I'm gonna go on with this NARS foundation, and it's the Soft Matte Complete Foundation, and its color is what is that? Caracas? I don't know. In the color, I don't know how to pronounce it. This Caracas Medium Deep 3.3. Oh Lord, it's dripping. Dang. Jeans, tight, high heels. This is how you make me feel. Lips, gloss, teeth, white. Apple bottoms, let me bite. Spend the night at your flight. We can do what you like. Feeling right, smelling good. Let's get this understood. Is there something you're not telling me? Are you the daughter of Frankie Beverly? It's the way you move, the way you groove. It's Bye Bye Dark Spot Corrector and Serum. Usually, y'all, I usually put this on before I put my foundation on, but I forgot. So, yeah. So I put it on like this. And put a little bit right here. And I put some right here because I got dark spots. I put some on my nose. Then I just wait for that to dry down. So then I blend it out with this. So now I go in with my Age Rewind concealer. Still got some in here. I don't think I do. I don't. I got a little bit in here. Yeah, I don't. So scratch that. So basically we're gonna go in with our NARS
biscuit. Is this biscuit? Tiramisu. We're going with our dark concealer tiramisu. Basically, I'm blending all the concealers together. Look at this NARS on here. Not NARS, Tarte. Put a little Tarte. Put some right here. I know it looks a little sloppy, y'all, but it's gonna look a lot better. So, okay, so we're just gonna wait for this to dry. And usually, guys, I don't put foundation on my forehead. I don't know why I did that. That's why it looks a little crazy to me. But yeah, usually I do not put foundation on my forehead. Like, I don't know why I did that. And then while we wait for the concealer to dry, I'm gonna try to figure out how I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Cause they look crazy and they need to be threaded, but we're gonna wait on that. While we wait for that, I'm gonna show you guys the bronzer I use. Basically, it's the Beautiful Skin Sun Kiss Glow Bronzer by Charlotte Tilbury. It's like this. My favorite bronzer. Like, it looks really good. Like, it's a cream bronzer. Like, it looks so good. I got the cream bronzer and the powder bronzer, so it looks really good together. Like, girl. Like, I love me some Charlotte Tilbury. Like, girl, you need to sponsor me. But okay, guys, so now I'm about to blend it out with my beauty blender. I mean, not my beauty blender, with my little triangle blender thing I got off Amazon.
Sit back and let this moment slip away. Cause I got my eye on you. I see you looking over your shoulder. Let me make my way over. Excuse me, Miss Lady.
And then I just go in with the beauty blender and blend the end of it again. And this eye is watering, so. And then I go back in with this beauty blender and I blend it in again. Now I go on with my cream bronzer. So I just dab a little bit of it. And I start with my forehead first. Just in case I mess up. And it's
sit back and let the night just drift away. So baby, what you gonna do? Cause I don't wanna lose it. Come on, keep it moving. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? You better look it right, be the type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and that?
I like to go on my cream blush. Go on my baking powder, and then the baking powder is by Huda Beauty and the color is Blondie. So this is the powder I use when I want a nice bright under eye. So
jeans, tight, high heels. This is how you make me feel. Lips, gloss, teeth white, apple bottoms, let me bite. Spend the night at your blight. We can do what you like. Feeling right, you smelling good. Let's get this understood. Is this something you're not telling me?
I go with the Benefits Precisely My Brow Pencil.
Pretty, she do freaky stuff. Shouty got me geeked up. Like Fable, I got Play-Doh. Let me show you street love. All I really want is you to back it up, go and put your weight on it.
I like to go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. Here my eye go watering again. I'm gonna go on my True Complexions Contour Palette Contour, and I like to mix both of these together. This one and this one, both of these together.
Back and let this moment slip away, 'cause I got my eye on you. I see you looking over your shoulder. Let me make my way over. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you
Go with my Too Faced Fluff and Hold Lemonade Brow Wax. I like to put it over my eyebrows.
to back it up, go and put your weight on it, 'cause it's alright. Do what you wanna make.
I use this Danessa Myricks Beauty eyeliner, and it's an onyx from the eyeliner. Where's my mirror? Oh, here it is.
Kiss it back and let the night just drift away. So baby, what you gonna do? 'Cause I don't wanna lose it. Come on, keep it moving.
Thanks guys, so I'm gonna put on my mascara. It's the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational. And my eye just keeps watering.
Exchange names and beg for the night is over.
Okay guys, so now I'm going on my blush, my favorite blush. I need to get some more blushes, but this is a blush I like to wear a lot. Like, it makes my cheeks all rosy. Well, duh, that's what blush does. But yeah, so now I'm going in with my bronzer, and this bronzer is by, it's the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, and it's in the color Sienna. I just bought it, and I kind of do like it though. I like to use two bronzers, to make my face snatch, as I like to do. And now I'm going on my highlight, and then the highlight is, so this highlighter is by Artist Couture. It's my favorite highlighter. Like, it's so, like, it makes your face so, like, glistening and glittery. Like, I love it. I know people stop wearing highlight, but girl, I'm gonna always wear it. I don't care. Like, I'm gonna wear it. I love wearing me some highlight. Put it on my nose, in the center of my nose. And now I'm going in back with the bronzer, the True Complexions, and I'm putting it on in my eyelid, because y'all, I stopped wearing eyeshadow. Like, I just don't feel like it. Like, girl, no. So basically, I don't like to leave my eyelids like with nothing on there, so I'm going with my bronzer. So now I'm going at my Charlotte Tilbury spray, finishing spray, and I just spray all that on my face. Looking ugly, And then I just pat it in with a beauty blender, make sure I got everything. Then I go in my lip liner. I believe this lip liner is by NYX. I'm gonna have all the products in the description box. And some of the stuff I use off camera, I went in with the Airbrush Flawless Finish Charlotte Tilbury powder, and then I went in with the Laura Mercier brightening powder, put that under my eyes. So yeah guys, it's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe for more videos like this. Like guys, I'm gonna keep making videos. I'm gonna keep making more makeup videos. I know I have some more makeup videos like in the past, probably a year ago. But now I'm gonna keep making more videos, because I noticed how I really love doing my makeup. So I'm just gonna keep making more makeup videos and get ready with me. And basically, I'm gonna put a playlist right here so you guys check out my old makeup looks. I mean, they're not really old, but check out how I do my makeup. But yeah, guys, if you want to see more videos like this, my little short hair, bald head hair, just make sure you subscribe, and I'll keep uploading them. So yeah, girl, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.